Welcome back to another Trade Journal video. This is Trade Journal number 41. And before I jump into this week's trades, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of my trades. Now, jumping into the trades that I had for this week, the first one was on Tqqq. So what I had on Tqqq was I sold a cash secured put on Tqqq, and I sold that last Friday on the 30th, and I sold it at the 104 strike price, which you can see right here by the blue line. And I sold this for a max profit of $165. The price kind of jumped around, dipped pretty low, and then pulled back up, as you can see right here on Friday, which is today. It's right around the 104 level. If you see here, it closed at 103.80, and then after hours, it's sitting at 104.13 currently. So what happens in this situation is I get to keep my full $165 for selling the put, but I'm not 100% sure if I'll get assigned. Depends on where this price ends up closing, and it ends up they end up taking the time, usually 15 to 30 minutes into after hours, so I might get assigned or I might not get assigned. Either way, if I do get assigned, I will start selling calls against this, and this will turn into a covered call, and I'll be running the wheel strategy. If I don't get assigned, then I will sell another cash secured put on Monday, most likely around the 101 or 100 level. So that was the main trade that I had for this week, and that was $165. I also took a smaller trade on Tqqq where I sold an additional cash secured put right here on Tuesday when I saw the price drop. I sold it way down at the 89 strike price for a max of $44 and ended up closing it for about $29 on Thursday when I saw the price pull back up. So yeah, again, for Tqqq, I'll have to wait to see if I end up getting assigned shares or not to decide the trade for next week. The other position that I had was on APPS. So what I had on APPS was another cash secured put. Right here at this blue line is where I sold it, and I sold it last Friday on the 30th. So right here at the 70 strike for a max profit of $90. As you can see, APPS ended up really dipping down, so I will get assigned the 100 shares at $70. And what'll happen is basically now I'll start running the wheel strategy. So I'll switch from cash secured puts to covered calls. I've actually already gone ahead and sold a call for next week at the $70 strike price for a max profit of $85. So I'll get assigned the shares, and then I'll have this call that's already open to start running covered calls against it. So all in all for this week, I did $165 plus $29 on Tqqq plus $90 on APPS for a total of $284. And right now, set up for next week, all I have is the covered call on PS for profit of $85. And then I will end up taking another position on Tqqq. As always, feel free to leave your questions or comments down below, and I'll be happy to answer those. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.